Hi everyone, my name is Janice and I'm here to show you another release from Tonic Studios. This one is for the heart and hexagon split die set. It's a showcase set, so it's going to be something really cute with lots of designs. Let me go ahead and show you some of the finished products just so you can get an idea of what it actually looks like. This one will be your hexagon. You see how it splits right in the middle. It's a cute little gift box. And then the heart will be like this. Another split. And let me go ahead and show you the dies. So you'll get two die sets. It's gonna be the hexagon, and then we're gonna get the heart one right on the other side. I stuck it to the magnet just because the pieces were falling out. I've been using it a lot. So with the hexagon, this is going to be like your base for the outside, this large piece right here. And then the decorative pieces, you can actually change it out between these two, or if you wanted like a little notch, you have these to go right next to each other. That way the pattern stays the same. And then you have cute little tags. This one says just because, and then it also has this one. It says for you, and then surprise right at the bottom. Now these pieces right here, I'll be able to show you that as I create it. They're part of like the little latch that's on the front. And then this is like another type of latch. Let me see if I have a box that has it on there. Here. And that's the latch like right at the top. And then these are going to be your inside pieces, the one that goes inside the box, and this is going to be part of the outside frame. And like I said, I'll show you the pieces as I go along. That way you can see which ones that I use. Now on the heart side, it's going to be the same thing. The large piece is going to be part of the base on the inside. And then the split one, you can see this one right here, is going to be part of the frame on the outside. So with this one, the one without the little glue tabs is the inside piece, and then we have the outside piece right here. And you can see that there's two different designs that you can change from, which is really cute. And then right here is going to be part of your latch, and that'll be, let me see, like this. And with this one, we'll be using pieces from this side as well. And then it comes with this cute key. I have to show it close up. And the little locket. I really like those. And you can either change it between the lock or this one that has, what is it, love you on the front. And it's really cute. I'm gonna be showing you tutorials on both boxes. That way you can just see like the basic of how to put it all together. I'll go ahead and show you some other ones at the end that I finished and completed, because with this one I probably made too many and it'll probably take up too much time in the beginning. So I'll see if I have enough time to show you at the end. All right, let's go ahead and create one of the boxes. The first box that I am going to create is going to be the heart-shaped one. And I will show you the die next to the pieces so you can see how many you need to cut. So we're going to start with the bottom of the inside box. That's going to be this one right here. You're going to cut two of those. And as you can see, I did two different colors just because this is the bottom. So this will be the part that you see and this will be the part that you don't. So you can do the same color if you like, just so it's easier, or you can do like a scrap paper if you have any that you need to get rid of. That's what I'm doing because I have a lot. And then the inside border part is going to be this one. Let me get the piece that I cut. You're going to need two of those. And we're going to start on the outside. This will be the outside of the box, and we're going to need 2 of those as well. And the split heart. This one we're going to need 4 sets of this. So same thing as the bottom of the inside of the box. I did 2 that you're going to look at, and then I did 2 with the scrap papers because these will be at the bottom where you can't see. And we'll also be putting a lock on this. So that'll be these 3 pieces. And you just do 1 of each. Okay. And now we can go ahead and start on assembly. Go ahead and get your inside box pieces, these 2 and these, and then we're going to go ahead and put them together. Before I do that, we're going to go ahead and score the edges. We're going to get our inside piece, and we will start gluing it from here. I'm going to use glue. You can also use like tape, but since this is a thick paper, I don't want to take any risks, so I'm going to use the glue. After we put the bottom on, we're going to go ahead and set this aside. I have to hold this a little bit longer just because the glitter has to hold on to this. But I'm just using reverse tweezers, so I don't have to hold on to it. Let's put this aside, and we will start on the outside. So go ahead and get all your little pieces and bend all the folds. Oh my goodness, sorry guys, I had not realized my nails were like half on, half off until I like really looked at my nails, and I was like, oh my god, you guys have to look at that. So I quickly took all that polish off. After we have all of this done, go ahead and get one of your sides. Let me go ahead and put these out so I know which is which. Okay. We're going to get one of our decorative pieces, and we're going to start at the bottom. Just like the inside box, we're going to go all the way around. With the next piece, go ahead and cut off this little tab right here. We won't need it. And we'll attach it the same way. Now we're going to flip this over, and we're going to get two of our other pieces, and we're going to stick them right on the inside. We're going to flip that over so the pretty side is right here, and then we're going to put these on top, and these are going to go right on the bottom. And this is what it should look like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it. Now for the lock pieces, let's see. I'll put this on this side, and this will go on this side. I like to put it on the end of the decorative piece, but we're going to start with this side first so we know how far up we need to put it. This one, we're going to fold it in half and then fold it up and up. It should look like this. What we're actually going to do is glue it down like this, so the holes should line up. And this is going to go right over here. It fits. This. I'm going to put a cute little ribbon. I'm going to do the lock, and then we just tie it all together. This one is completed, so now we can go ahead and move on to the hexagon box. We'll start with the inside, just like the heart. We're going to cut out two of these. I did alternating colors. You can do the same. Cut out two of these. These are the inside pieces. For the frame, we're gonna cut out 3 of these pieces. And this is the larger pieces. We're gonna get that one. And we're gonna cut out 8 of these. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and decorate these pieces. I probably should have done the same with the heart, but while they're flat like this, go ahead and decorate it how you want to. That way it's easier to assemble. I'll probably leave the top alone until the end, and then I'll put the pieces on there just because that's just a quick and easy part. But for the sides, definitely decorate it before you put it on. This will be the outside. Go ahead and fold everything. Now with this, we're going to get one piece, and just on this side with the tab, we're going to put one of these half hexagon pieces. This is actually going to be the part where it splits, so we're going to put one on the opposite side after we do this edge. And before we put this one on, right here, we're going to cut this piece off. These are the pieces I'm going to decorate with. I don't know if you can tell, but I did kind of like a layered look. And all I did was offset the pink one underneath slightly, just so you can see some of the pink. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to attach it to the white piece. For the latch on this one, it's going to be this small piece right here. We're just going to cut out 2 of these and then fold them. the holes would be the ones that match up, so we're going to glue the underside. And I did the Love You locket and this tag right here. I did For You, and I planned on doing the offset on this one too. Let's see, I want to put it on top. Let me put this one on top. There we are. You can tie it separate if you want to keep it open, or tie it together if you want to give it as a present. And we just finished the tutorials. I'm going to show you a little better view. It's decorated, little pieces at the bottom. It splits open. I think out of both of these, I want to say the hexagon one is probably a lot easier to do. I would say it's beginner just because there's no like round edges. Got this one, and I really like how like wide it opens. I really like this. Okay. And I know in the beginning I said I wanted to show you the other ones I did. I got really carried away when I did this. I know I showed you this in the beginning. This one I just used one of the tops of the Nuvo. I think it was one of my glow in the dark ones that had the black one. Stuck that there, and then this one like a bumblebee. It reminded me of like a honeycomb. I'll just quickly show these. This one is for me, and I offset it with the light blue and light blue on the inside. And then these three are all made in similar ways. I use shimmer powder. I use different shimmer powders on each one, and that was the background for these, and I thought it was really, really pretty. And this one I think I did the cosmic color. And then I did a shadow with the mirror underneath it. And then I put more on the inside. There are so many things you can make with this. And Valentine's Day is coming. And the last one, this is one that I did like a shaker. And you just use the half piece that you use, like this piece, and put the smaller one inside to create that border. So I didn't actually cut that with scissors, it was from the die. Well, I hope you enjoyed my videos and the projects, and they inspire and help you with these cute little projects. I hope you guys have a great day. Happy crafting. Bye.